Welcome back. My name is David. I had a task that I did a while ago that including up cleaning up some public data on companies in the North Carolina area, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to do some sort of things with it, and we'll see if it actually does it. I'm gonna ask it to rework this spreadsheet or this CSV file, and I just want to see the company name and I want to see the full address in one column. I also want to see the contact name, the full contact name in one column, and I would like to reformat possibly the phone column and add the parentheses and the dashes, put it in that standard format, and that's kind of, and delete the rest. Now this file is not that big. It only has 70 rows, and then it has this extra rows here, and let's see what it does with it by default. Maybe I'll just tell it, hey, there's extra information at the bottom. You could chop that off for me. So it should come back with 71 rows, including the header, and it all cleaned up. So will it do it? I have no idea. Let's find out. So I'm here in ChatGPT, and I'm just gonna upload the file. Go to downloads, and it's gonna be this one, download 8. And let's ask ChatGPT. I need you to clean up the CSV file, and the way I want it is I want you to return the company column just as you see it. I also want you to put the address of the company in one column. Currently it spans multiple columns, and I just want it all in one column. Also, there's a contact name that is split into first name and last name. I want you to combine that into one column so I know who I am speaking with. And then for the phone number, I need you to reformat it. Right now it's just numbers, but I want you to put the area code in parentheses and then put a dash on the actual 7 digits, that whatever that standard format is. And then that's kind of it. So for the rest of the columns in the CSV file, you can just remove them. And that's it. Please give this information back to me in a link that I could click and download onto my laptop. All right, so as you can see, all I did was kind of describe what I want to do, and I'm talking to it like if I was talking to somebody in the office, for example, or somebody I hired to do this task, and it needs to just do it again. This is gonna replace us one day, so I gotta treat it like if it replaced somebody. So I gave it the file and I gave it the instructions, and let's see what it does. Oh, look, I guess it did it. Let's see what it did to the bottom section. Yeah, look, see, it kept the bottom section. So let me ask it again. Right, I think you did what I wanted to do. All I need you to do is at the bottom, starting in row 71, there is data that's not really part of the company name, address, or contact name or phone number. It's extra data. Can you just delete those last 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and then provide it to me so I could download it on my machine? Thanks. All right, so I think it did what I wanted it to do. See, it kept the company as is, combined it. It did the whole thing. If you click on this, you will get the Python code, and it looks like it's not a complete Python code because it doesn't. I don't see any imports up here, and it looks like it could be possibly pandas because I see a fill NN and I see data frame. So this might be pandas code, but it's missing some things. So let's see what it does next. So I removed it removed it as requested, and that's it. So let's download the file, and we'll spot check a few and see if it actually did what I wanted it to do. All right, so company name. Okay, so let me see how many rows we got. So we got 71 rows, and we go back to the other spreadsheet. That's how much we had. The last one was Sebulon, yellow and Sebulon. And when we go back to this one, it looks like it got it. So the address, let's check out this address. It put it all under one column. 2400 and 1000 Shepherd School Road. So if we move this over here, there's 2400 Summer Boulevard, number 120. Raleigh 276, 1000 Shepherd Road, Sebulon 27597. That seemed to have done it. The two contact names are Derek Kress and Candace Jones. Derek Kress and Candace Jones. Okay, that was good. And then the phone numbers, let's see if we got them. It formatted them just like I asked them. And let's see if the phone numbers look right. 754-8686 and 404-3630. It did it. And it removed all the other columns. So now I know who I'm calling and what their names are and what their address are. So let's see if there's anything weird from any of these, either addresses. Okay, here there's no anything missing values maybe that it had to deal with. So it, in this specific spreadsheet, the data was kind of clean to begin with. I don't see anything, anything odd going on with the names. Oh, there's actually a contact name that was completely missing. Let's see what it did here with Southeast Raleigh Elementary and row 21. So let's go to row 21. So in row 21 it was blank. That's good. So it didn't bug out because it was missing. There's another missing one there, but all the other ones are there. So I would say if you need to clean up Excel work and instead of actually clicking and filtering and combining, this could totally be done by most of you guys listening. Combining two fields in Excel, it's really easy. Combining multiple fields, city, state, zip code, we didn't do the plus. Reformatting this is pretty easy with Excel with Control E, but wouldn't it be easier just to explain it and have it done for you? Yep, I'll say +1 for ChatGPT, 0 for Excel.